Welcome to Lesson 1 of WooCommerce Pre-Orders. Introduction of WooCommerce Pre-Orders. In this video, we will explore the WooCommerce Pre-Order plugin. How this powerful tool can help you generate sales and excitement for upcoming products or services in your online store. Let's get started. First, go to WooCommerce and go to Settings. First, we will explore the settings for the pre-order and go to the pre-order tab here. First, we have a button text, and here we have an Add to Cart button text. This controls the Add to Cart button text on single product pages for products that have pre-orders enabled. Then we have Place Order button text. This controls the Place Order button text on the checkout when an order contains a pre-order. Then we have product messages that address the messages by using the availability date and availability time tags to represent the product availability date and time. The single product message allows you to add an optional message to the single product page below the price. The Shop Loop product message allows you to add an optional message to each pre-order enabled product on the Shop Loop page above the Add to Cart button. Then we have the Cart Checkout display text. You can adjust the display of the order total by using the order total to represent the order total and availability date. Then we have the availability date title text. This controls the title of the availability date section on the cart checkout page on the Thank You We Order template email template and order details table. And the charge upon release order total format controls the order total format when the cart contains a pre-order charge upon release. Use this to indicate when the customer will be charged for their pre-order. Using this, the charge upfront total order format controls the order total format when the cart contains the pre-order charge up front. You can use this to indicate how the customer is charged for their pre-order by using this. Then we have the out of stock option. If you want to enable the pre-order for the product that gets out of stock, you can use this option. When a product becomes out of stock, customers will be able to pre-order it. Then we have a staging test. You can disable the automatic pre-order processing. This is used for when you are on the staging testing site and don't want any pre-orders to be processed. After doing all settings, click on Save Changes. Now we will explore how can we manage the pre-order. Simply go to WooCommerce and go to Pre-Orders. Here, we can see the list of the orders which we have ordered as a pre-order. If you want to cancel the order, you can click on Cancel. Here we can get the information about the customer, product order, status of the order, when the order is placed, and availability status. Now we will move on to the Action tab. Here you can see how you may send an email message to all customers who have pre-ordered a specific product. You can select a product here, and you can enter the message here. You can click on Send Emails. Then the second. Then another tab is Change Release Date. Here, you can change the release date for all pre-orders of a specific product. This will send an email notification to each customer, informing them that the pre-order release date was changed. You can select the product by clicking on this drop-down, and you can add a new availability date here. If you want to send the email notification, you can check this option. If you uncheck this to prevent email notification from being sent to the customer, you can add your own message here. After doing this, click on Change Release Date. Now we are on the Complete tab. This may complete all the pre-orders for a specific product. This will charge the customer's card the pre-ordered amount, change their order status to completed, and send them an email notification about them. You can select a product here. If you want to uncheck this to prevent the email notification from being sent to the customer, you can add the message here. After doing this, click on Complete Order. At last, we have the Cancel tab. You may cancel all the pre-orders for a specific product. This will mark the order as canceled and send the customer an email notification. Again, you can select a product here. If you want to uncheck to prevent the email notification from being sent to the customer, you can add the message here and click on Cancel Pre-Order. Now the pre-order can be enabled for either simple or variable product types by editing a product. Simply go to the product and click on Add New Product. You can write the name of the product, Then you scroll down and go to the Pre-Orders tab. If you want to enable the pre-order for this product, you can click on this option. You can set the availability date and time. You can set an optional availability date and time for when the pre-order product is available for purchase as a regular product. If set, the availability date and time will be displayed in the number of places on the front end. Once the date and time is reached, the product will be pre-ordered and behave as a normal product. Then we have pre-order fees. This allows you to charge an optional pre-order fee on the top of the regular product price in whichever currency you set for your store. Then we have a when to charge option. We can get two options for it. Upon release and upfront. Upon release, a pre-order product charged upon release is not charged until the product is made available for purchase. That says to stop being a pre-order product. Then we have upfront. A pre-order product charged upfront is charged at the checkout as would be a normal product. By that, you will know how can you use the WooCommerce Pre-Order plugin to create excitement and drive early sales for your product. And that's a wrap on Lesson 1. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more useful tutorials.